Yo, what's up everybody? Situation has changed, the weather has changed in Poland. It's warm enough, it's about 10 degrees, maybe something like that, but you can wear only jacket, leather jacket like this one, or hoodie. I don't need to wear a big hoodie or big jacket like I used to wear, the yellow one. However, unfortunately it's rainy and it's very wet and it's already dark, so it's time to show you the biggest and the best mall in Poznan, Galleria Poznan, a very cool place. And yeah, you will be not disappointed because this is actually very cool mall in first world country in Poland, not like in US. This one is really cool.
Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Some big billboards and stuff, of course. Let's get inside to the mall. Let's see. I like these cool doors actually, like this one, different than the Asian malls, most of Asian malls, because Singapore, yeah, they have it. And we have a very nice Christmas tree at the beginning, Starbucks and everything, of course, information, MG cars, and the food section actually at the front of the main entrance. The Christmas tree is actually very beautiful though. There are actually two food courts on the bottom floor with some nicer, more fancy restaurants, but quieter, and one is up there where we are going now. So as I said, that's the one of the food court. There is the main entrance with this Christmas tree and everything. Very cool, some restaurants and stuff, and the mall is going and going. It's actually a very huge mall, and I'm gonna tell you, this mall is complete. I mean, I've been in so many nice beautiful malls in Southeast Asia, and this one is nothing wrong with it. I mean, I'm not saying just because I'm living in Poznan and I'm from Poland, but look at this, it's actually nice, and you can find all the brands what you need, and also a lot of interesting places for dine-in and also food court. Everywhere, of course, some beautiful Christmas decorations. Christmas is soon. Berlin Donald kebab. And I'm not into kebab today, but there is. But this one is actually a very cool section. There's Thai wok, pasta, Italia, Vietnamese pho. Very cool, a lot of very interesting stuff. So I'm very happy because when my Saya gonna come to Poland, she's not gonna be hungry because you can find everything. Thai wok, here you go. Very cool. You can find, of course, Italian restaurant. I mean the food court stuff, the pasta, but also Vietnamese pho over here. Here we go. You can have a look. Very cool stuff. Very cool. And fish and chip also. I have some friends, Paddy, perhaps fish and chip 39 złotych only here. Look at the picture, looks cool. And of course KFC, McDonald's, and many other stuff, and the place where you can eat and enjoy. It's the same like in Asian malls. Very happy for the Asian foods. There's different mall in the city center actually where I supposed to film last time. I'm maybe gonna film next time. We are the buffet, like a Chinese buffet and other ones similar like in Asian stuff. So I'm gonna show you. Very cool. Sayang, when you come to Poland, you don't have to worry about the food. You're not gonna be hungry here. Anyways, Polish food is also good. But if you need Asian, here we go. Everything is here. That was the main entrance in the food court. Let's focus on the mall a little bit. There's Militaria, also the place where you can buy many interesting stuff. And of course, there's 2 floors only, though. But a lot of beautiful Christmas decorations. And perhaps I will stroll a little bit around and show you everything you can find here, but not too many like a fancy brands like a Louis V, Chanel and stuff. More into just regular people stuff. The lady had a very nice Christmas outfit though. Not too busy, not that overcrowded like malls in Asia often, but everything is here. And there are banks also, and the supermarkets, and any kind of shops here. So, and food options, and the holiday company tours, and the sofas where you can enjoy and everything. So it's technically very cool mall, like a little stroll around. Just wanted to show you what you can find here, and also gym people stuff, Yeah, very cool, very cool indeed. You know, used to film malls in Southeast Asia, so due to the weather, I'm gonna show you also the mall in Poland. As you can see, so many nice shops, and the mall have a very nice structure. Not only just very simple street, there's some banks also, and also as I show you the mall, Quicksilver is also here for my Australian loyal viewers who watching me, and they are surfers. Here we go. There will be also with the difference as the Santa Claus together with the reindeer there on the surfboard, to compare to Bali vibes or tropical vibes in Southeast Asia. You're not gonna find like this one, but here it is still the same stuff. Everything is the same. And also here inside you can find very cool Christmas sweater for Christmas. After that, of course, very cool mall, very big. If you're gonna Google it on the Google map, Galleria Poznan, you're gonna find out how big it is. You will definitely love shopping and stuff. You will definitely find something for yourself here. That's without the apps, and this one is something cool over here. I gonna show you. Here we go, just wait for it. Don't leave it yet. Here we go. Very cool Christmas decorations on the middle of the mall, but I think I have to get down for that. And the ceiling of the mall is also not bad for the Poland, I gonna say. Not bad. I gotta tell you that the mall's quality in Poland changed so much in the past years, really a lot, and there is nothing wrong with them, and they are totally different than in other Western countries. I mean, especially Canada, US didn't impress me that much with the malls, but here, not bad. Here you go. I have to go there or make a nice shot for this one. I need to show you. It's Christmas time, so a lot of decorations like this one will be everywhere in the malls. So perhaps maybe starting from this fancy ceiling, this is the Crystal Forum, and that's the very nice Christmas stuff here on the middle. I think you can get inside there with the Santa Claus if you're coming with the kids. You know, it's very cool attraction for the youngest one. Also very nice shops that I definitely have to get down and show you. But this one is very cool. And also somewhere here, where is it? Over there, I show you some cool shop. Actually, okay, this one is also cool, like a Christmas festive bedroom decorations here, very cool. And this is like a shop, Obuwie.pl. This is Polish shop where you're buying shoes on the tablet, iPad, and there is no shoes on the shelf, only screens. Cool. So down there is this one. I'm going, just wanted to show you this old Havana. They selling the cigars here as well. Very cool. I'm not smoking, but cool. This is like a village of Santa Claus, which is cool. Some places in Europe have it like this on this long queue with the kids. There is Santa Claus actually inside, as I said, and there are krasnals and some other decorations and the reindeer here. Very cool. I believe if something like this will be in Southeast Asian countries, will be also interesting. However, of course, we have a culture of Christmas very much celebrated in Poland, but in general in Central Europe. So this is how does it look like. And I'm gonna tell you, this is very cool, and also a very cool place for the kids. Very cool details. Of course, this one is just the mall and it's inside, but I like it. And just what I gonna tell you, I like it. Also the stairs are here like made of glass, which is not too bad, right? Not too bad at all. But yeah, this is not the snow, obviously. It's just the decorations, but very cool level of details. Of course, there's Sephora and everything. If you're looking for cosmetics, perfumes and everything, you will find actually a lot of people waiting in the queue for that. That's the freelance stalls here, of course, with some nice stuff, homemade. Also, one thing about Poland is that a lot of people really taking care of their homes, what is inside and outside. So you can find so many very interesting shops where you can buy stuff, perhaps like this one, to your bedroom for the season, for the festive season, for the Christmas, and then there will be for different one. So yeah, you can find a lot of stuff like this one for the home decor. This is something what is very missed in Southeast Asia in general. So as you can see, that's the mall. I didn't show you, this is like 1/4 of the mall. This Cukiernia Sowa is very great place for coffee and cake. Highly recommended if you're in Poland looking for a place like this one. Highly recommended. No paid endorsement, however. It's just good to recommend something, and you can see you can walk everywhere. Upper, this is like a jewelry shop and everything. Like, I wanted to show you maybe 360 degree. You can really walk wherever you want, and you can find so many places to spend. Over W Crook, actually, this one is very legendary jewelry shop, actually, very good. And well, you can find very nice stuff inside, perhaps. But of course, Pandora, Swarovski and other brands, they are here. But I'm trying to support Polish brands as well, little bit. And this is little stall here with decorations. Like I said, Polish people and people in Europe, they're really crazy about this stuff in general. Imagine you buy like this one and put next to your Christmas tree at home. That would be cool, isn't it? Man, decorations everywhere. So many nice shops, so many nice decorations. And also the Polish bookshops, everything. Okay, let's go, because I wanted to make this video 10 minutes long, but you know, I want to show you as much as I can. There is like a main corner here. There's Leroy Merlin. I don't know how to pronounce the shop. Pardon me. There's New Yorker there in the background. Costa Coffee, of course. Beautiful decorations everywhere, and you basically walk around. There's a lot of walking and more never-ending shops. And of course, sports section. There is JD. I think there is Nike somewhere. Puma, Snipes. I don't know what is Snipes actually. Ray-Bans, North Face. Everything is here. Of course, there's Lech Poznan shop, which is like a football club shop from Poznan, and Adidas. I think the Nike is also somewhere. Kids decorations. I think I showed you the most of them all I could already. And this actually thing looks like a pineapple. No, it's not pineapple, but yeah, looks cool. It's obviously pine cone, but from this perspective, with the star in the background, it looks like a pineapple. I think I'm tired already of filming them all. And the Carrefour is also there. I will get there. And Under Armour as well. I just accidentally realized as there is Marché. Is it the same Marché like in Singapore, perhaps, or in Germany as well? Or different? I don't know, but looks good. Oh, and the train for the kids as well. Cool. By the way, it's a lot of kids in the malls here during the Christmas time. And of course, there is huge Carrefour here. Look at this shop, by the way. I'm sorry for distracting, but this is so cool stuff. Yes, huge Carrefour. But maybe what is inside Carrefour, I could make a separate different video, because I believe some of you may be interested in if I can film inside. Actually, not sure, but shouldn't be a problem in Poland actually. It's huge, a lot of interesting stuff in the grocery stores in Poland you can find. So maybe for the next time actually I can show you. Why not? Let me know in the comment section. Would you like me to go inside and film there? Let me know. Of course, a lot of stores where you can buy TV, stuff to the home. Overall, a lot of everything is here. So overall, let me know what do you think about the malls in Poland. I think they are pretty cool actually here. But I may be wrong, but let me know. So far, this is Galleria Poznan. You can Google it. No, I'm not gonna put the link to the Google map, just Google it by yourself. No, maybe I'm gonna do it if I'm not gonna forget. Either way, thank you so much for watching, listening. Big thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet. I'm making a lot of videos in Poland recently, waiting for Winnie to come, showing for you, saying also how is it here. Don't you worry, everything will be fine. And I will see you on next video. See you on next one. However, I just want to show you this last shot of this Christmas tree. It's actually so cool. The main atrium entrance, super cool. See you tomorrow, or see you on next one.